This is the new structure of the spacious two-bedroom house with a right space planning. Take a look at the interior designs proposed. Coming to the aesthetic upgradation, we are providing false ceiling and entire house repainting will be done. So, this is how we are renovating this 3-bedroom house into a spacious 2-bedroom house with a proper space utilization. For old home renovation in Bangalore, call us today. For more videos on home renovation, bathroom renovation and interior design, please subscribe to our channel Inkstone Infra. Thank you.